everyone, this is Digital District Girl. Today I'm going to recommend you my favorite appliance that I bought this year. Check it out. I think this is one of the most amazing inventions ever because it's very compact, it's so light. You can see I am actually lifting it with one hand. I believe it's around 200 grams or it just feels really lightweight. And yeah, I think the whole design was very well thought of. There's a very smooth roller at both sides, and this is where the dust gets sucked in. There's a detachable vacuum filter right inside. So I usually use a brush to just brush off the dirt, but by right you are supposed to buy the filters for it. And it's a very simple way to charge. It's just one USB-C. I believe it's USB-C, I'm not too sure about that. And there's two functions here. You just have to click the button one. Okay, so the softer and the larger one. Can you just imagine all the dust, the fine dust that you've been sleeping with? It gets sucked over here. So yeah, this is my favorite appliance of 2024. And I would highly recommend you to buy it from Shopee.
Cleaning my bed is so therapeutic.
Just finished vacuuming my bed, and let's show you how dirty it is, the things that you sleep with. So this is the filter portion. I think you can see that there's two layers. It's actually quite easy. You just have to remove the top, just pull it out. Look at the amount of dirt and dust that's in my bed and the hair that I sleep with. So this is just purely from my bed. I don't vacuum anywhere else. Yeah.
So I'm just gonna spend some time clearing the dirt off the filter, and wow, look at the dust. So much fine dust that's stuck inside. I just can't believe it that I'm actually sleeping in this kind of dirt. Feel free to speed up the video here since I'm just clearing off the dust, which is quite therapeutic to be honest. Putting it back on is so easy. This shop always have discounts, so check it out from Shopee. If you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it very much if you could subscribe, like, and leave a comment on what else you want to see.